I've been stopped for drunk driving at least a dozen times, and I've never been drunk. I'm just a lousy driver. And I've had to do the exercises on the side of the road. And you've seen these people, right? Touch your nose, touch your feet, touch your nose with your feet. That's always embarrassing. And a lot of cops love to hear you recite the alphabet. I've had to do that plenty of times also. Yeah, so I go along and I do the alphabet. When I get done, the cop is always satisfied, but a few have told me to do it backwards. Have you ever had the cops ask you to do it backwards? Well, they do it, and only because only a drunk would try it. Or a comic with a lot of time on his hands. So I lean up against my Ford POS, I take a deep breath, and I start. ZYXWVUT, SRQPONN, LKJISGF, EDCBA. And the cop's head exploded. But this is America, folks. In America, what we have, 25, 26 letters. It could be worse. I could have been in China. They have about 5,000 letters in their alphabet. And I could get that one dick cop who just says, okay, now do it backwards. And in some Arab lands, if you get caught drunk driving, you can get the death penalty. No crap. That would be pretty wild, getting a death penalty for drunk driving. There, I suppose you'd have to hope you get a sympathetic cop. Okay, you can take your chances with the judge, or you can let my camel have his way with you. Your choice.